Hello friends, welcome on 100 on 100 in Eco platform. This session, standard 12th, ISC will get a fantastic tip. When you're attempting any question based on diagram, follow this standard pattern. First, write the law or the statement of the law as has been expressed by the economist. Second, you will write the assumptions in brief based on which the law has been developed. Third, explain the variables that are appearing in the law and the relationship between the variables. Fourth, how will you be plotting these variables on the graph in the form of a diagram? Fifth, where does your break-even point or equilibrium point appear in the graph and what does it signify? And the sixth, what happens to the left and the right hand side of this equilibrium point and what does it denote?